morning, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today it's very exciting morning because I'm going to swap my exhaust. So as you can see, I've got next to me the modified exhaust, and in a couple of minutes when I arrive at my local garage they will swap it with my standard exhaust. So yeah, very excited. I'm hoping it's going to sound epic. We'll see in a moment. So without further ado, let's jump in time to the swap time. So I left my car with the garage in the morning and it's lunchtime, so I'm going to collect it now. I'm pretty excited. I know it's going to be loud because even in stock forms these cars are very loud. So I'm sure it's going to sound epic. The only thing I'm worried about is the cold start. As long as it's not setting off alarms of my neighbors' cars, I'm going to be happy. So I'm in the car now and I can't wait to press the start button to hear it. Oh, it is much louder. Very loud, I would say. This is a cold start. That's better. Right, let's drive home. Well, let's go into sport and try to find out how it sounds. Oh my god. Let's just do a simple lift off, 2,500 revs. Yeah, you can hear crackles, so much more. Definitely. So I think if you just cruise, oh my god, that's loud. It is much louder when you're actually on it. So let's go back to comfort. Let's see how it sounds when you just cruise around. So it's not too bad. It's actually louder, I would say, constantly, but when you're not on it, you can't really hear it that much. So I kept the resonator unmodified, so that is preventing, I guess, some of the drone. However, I have to say that in a certain rev ranges, around 2,000 and 3,200, that's where even the stock car was, I would say, slightly drony. Now you can hear it more. That drone become a bit more pronounced, I would say, at the moment. Right, let's go into Sport Plus. Car is warm now, so so much more. say it's quite antisocial, this one. Oh, it pops a lot. It definitely sounds entertaining. I think I have to now live with it for a couple of days, take it for a faster drive, take it to the town and really listen to it in a different environment and see how it will be to live with on a day-to-day basis. So I'm back in comfort now. Yeah, at around 1800 RPMs. The drone of the exhaust is now more pronounced. So what can I say after this short drive? It's definitely louder, probably as much as twice louder as the stock exhaust. I would say the sound characteristic didn't change much, it's just all much louder. So if you like how the stock exhaust sound, you should be quite satisfied with it. Obviously I will have to live with it for a couple of days before I can have my final say on it. However, after this short drive, I think it's a good alternative to the M Performance exhaust, which costs, you know, 2.5 grand. You can get this one for literally less than the 10th of that price. So yes, it's I think definitely something for people which are looking for a bit more sound out of the M2s. So I'm going to end my video here, guys. I'm going to record a bit more samples. I'm going to go for a drive with it, maybe do some drive-bys, and then I'm going to make another video on it so you can hear the differences between the stock and modified exhaust. So thank you very much for watching again. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Do widzenia.